This is video 2 of 3 on navigating website IndianHillsHardware.com. This particular video is specific to account history and will be generally only applicable to those customers who have house accounts or charge accounts with our company. Again, we're going to log in with our demo account credentials. And again, we're going to spend all of our time in the account column. What you see within the account column may look exactly like this or may be much shorter depending on what's been granted to you in terms of user privileges by your account administrator. Each account has a master user, and that master user can grant sub-users access to any or all of these. This particular account that we're demonstrating has basically access to all features. So we're going to run through those quickly. Balances is simply as simple as what it says. It shows the account balance and any aging on the account. This particular demonstration account has had some activity, but its total is 0. If we had a question about it, we could click on this link to send a question to our accounting department, or we could come up here to contact us and then fill out a web form as well. If you want to research your account because it's not 0 and you don't understand it, you can simply look in. Then next step would be to research the documents on the account. You can do that through this link or from this link down here, either way, whichever is easier for you. Within the document screen, you can search by date, you can search by document number, you can search by document type, or if your company uses POs, you can search by PO number. In this case, you see we have some invoices and payments. You can see that we can search for adjustments, credits, finance charges, invoices, or payments. This time we're going to search for all invoices on the account. You'll see it brings up a list of all the invoices on the account. If we want to take a look at a particular invoice, we can click on that invoice and drill into it, and it'll bring that particular invoice up for us to research. If you want to print, we have a print link. And we also have an export link available for you to research your account balances. You can also come down and look at account statements. And I might add that balances, documents, and statements are a part of Accounts Online within the user administration that we covered in video number 1. So if you're granted access to statements, we have started archiving statements beginning consistently in April of 2012. You can click on your last statement or any other one that's available to you. You can reprint it, or once again, you can drill into it if you choose. Let's see what each invoice on the that was presented, or credits. Credits are also available for you to drill into. You can print from the print link. Account history will be a useful tool for virtually all employees in your organization. It allows you to look at specifically those documents that are purchases and returns. It does not allow you to go into payments. It does not allow you to have access to statements, etc. if you're granted account history. The neat feature about account history is you can search by SKU number, or you can check this box. And this particular invoice 176, you'll see all invoices are then exploded line by line to show the individual items on that invoice. So if you've got a particular product that you know you bought in the last month, you can't remember what it was, you'd like to buy it again, you can say display items, click search, and it'll bust open all your invoices for you. If you could say, I think it was those paper yard bags, you can click on those. Say yes, it was, or it was not my paper yard bags. If that particular product happens to be, you know that's what you want, you can simply select how many you want and it'll add it directly to your shopping cart from here. And you can see we now have an item in our shopping cart. I'm going to delete that out of the shopping cart. We'll demonstrate the shopping cart functionality in the next module, 3 of 3. So I think you'll find account history to be very useful. Last thing I wanted to show you in this video is order status, which simply gives you a list of all orders that are still open on the account that have not yet been fulfilled by us. You can research what you've bought and usually those will be on their way to you shortly. So that's with account administration. You can look at your balance, research documents, research SKUs, pull up old statements, and look at the status of any of your orders through the account administration feature. Thank you for joining us. Video 3 will drill into how to actually place orders on the site.